It's the trailer right here. Y'all gonna see some crazy stuff. You're gonna see fights. You're gonna see drama. You're gonna see love. You're gonna see family. You'll see unity, togetherness. Man, you're gonna see women. They say sex sells. You're gonna see people tearing apart. You're gonna see fights. You're gonna see people that has adversity, that face it together. You're gonna see people overcoming right here. You're gonna see people working out together, family that prays together, that stays together. You're gonna see people eating together. You're gonna see all type of stuff right here. This show right here is M.D.E now. This is something that I've been wanting to put together so everybody can see the characters and fall in love with the characters they're about to see. This right here is not a reality show at all. This is an actuality show. This is a show that we will put on, not for nothing fake. This is a show that we talk about the rap performances. But when it comes to the characters, they're real. There's nothing fake about these people. There's nothing scripted about it. It's unscripted. This is some live stuff right here, man. That's real people. And why wouldn't you want to be in love with real people? To get to know these people. Right here, you got 3 B's. You got Tony Jones. You got Duka. You got Armani Maserati. You got Kareem. You got Hanifa. You got Vito. You got me, Akbar. Right here, some real stuff right here. Some real people. Real life stories. Real experiences. Real struggles. Real music. This is M.D.E now. And music does entertain. M.D.E. Welcome. In this situation, we just got a nice little spot, six rooms in here for all the artists, and put them up in a situation. Every state we go to, I want to have a place where the artists can go. And I kind of made Minnesota the home base because a lot of our fans come from here.
What's up, broski? Oni, is that 3 B's? Is that 3 B's?
In the building, that's
huh?
3 of them, nigga.
Duka?
Organics, my nigga Duka, M.D.E shit.
Everybody want to be with us, you know what I'm saying? Because we have a good time, we got a good aura, you know what I'm saying? Niggas want to be around these niggas, you know?
Tony Jones, man, you know what it is, man. San Antonio, Texas, nigga, all the way up to Minneapolis, nigga. M.D.E, what it do, boy?
Knock out, play. Get up, man. Oh, buddy, knock.
Got it right here, look.
All this shit, I love all this shit. Money on my mind, got money on my line, got money in my pocket, bitch. I do this all the time.
Listen, nigga, yo, you missed it. Later, sit down, nigga. 2 takes, nigga. Let's get it. M.D.E, nigga, Sizzle, what it do, nigga?
No, you gonna go inside. You a man, you gonna do that.
Yeah.
I can sell.
That's what we gonna do. I'm about to beat your ass.
Come on, you gonna do that. Come on, give me that.
I'm a freak. She ain't no freak.
Every woman's a freak, boy. What's wrong with you?
Not every woman, but most of them are.
Every woman's a freak. Just gotta pull it out of them. Come here. Nigga's worse. Make your punk ass up, man, with all that snoring, cuz. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I can't be in the same room with this nigga, man. Get no fucking pussy with this nigga in this room, man.
We out to get it on. We ain't stopping till we got it, straight up. It's a movement, man. We gonna keep it pushing, straight up. Hell well. What's next? Chicago?
Where we at, Mozzie?
Just put up at my grandma's crib in the inside rack. Well, I mean Chicago.
Southside Tony. She the only one know him.
Getting it back. They all know. 35.
You think everybody, you think he famous?
35.
Do y'all know Southside Tony? So many people shooting each other, killing each other. It happens everywhere. So let's be able to give back, to give kids backpacks and food and show our appreciation to the world that today is the future.
We ain't never had this growing up, so us growing here, and it was so hard for us, we know that. So when we do get a little bit, we know to give back, you know?
Shit.
Ooh. AJ getting tired.
That cigarettes is coming in.
That's what it's about, man. You train, like you put the gloves on, ain't none of no pride involved. Win, lose, or draw.
I thought we said
It's a wrap. Put gloves on, have fun with them, train. The better is iron sharpen iron around here, man.
Hey, yeah, I'm in there. That bitch like the size of the studio, boy.
Who?
The Couture.
It is. This girl from church. Came over my house one night, you know what I'm saying? From church, nigga. Back, you know what I'm saying? Church. She was like, I'm gonna teach you how to eat pussy. And I said, I wanna learn.
Alright, man, we in Rain Cane, man. Finna run about 5 miles. I ain't running shit. I'ma walk them through, you know. I went through this about 10 times. You know? Dedication, baby. Hard work, dedication, baby.
Show me a CEO running with their team.
In the front of the pack, too.
Anywhere. NBA, NFL, anywhere. Show me.
What's up, nigga?
You know how we rockin', man. Finna go in this bitch. I don't wanna leave. Do some damage to that motherfucking mic.
Y'all sleep in the studio, man.
Oh man, who turned down for what? We in this bitch sleep until we crank out a hit. If not, we gonna be in this bitch tomorrow sleep. Believe that.
Yo, poor ass.
I really want some chicken.
Is the red cock doing what?
I'm gonna take a line from my nigga 3 B's, nigga. What the fuck is you bums doing, nigga? It's late as fuck. Y'all niggas sleeping. We want to
You gotta run that back from the top. I got all my little brothers in here. Hey, we turn the fuck up. Run that shit back, BAD. Let's go.
Where you was at last night?
Man, we was in the studio, you know, chilling there, laying down shit. Yeah, we rock.
5 bitches. All them getting that car over there, homie, right there. All y'all getting there, go. Dreads and all them. It was 5 of us.
We go down these stairs.
Feel for y'all, cause I ain't doing shit.
You not doing it?
I never do nothing. I am behind the camera. All my niggas with the shit and all my niggas bang.
Where's the water at?
Tony Montana.
Somebody gonna fall out. It might be me.
I'm gonna pay it. I'll fuck around and pull. Don't go up the stairs. Go that way, you can jog.
Back down, bro.
Once you get down here, you jog. When you get down here, we all jogging to get back to here.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, Reem. Let's go, Reem.
I'm a 2-time champ. It's over with.
That's what I was
It's done.
That ain't it.
It's over with for me. That's it.
Get there, get there.
It's over. I'm gonna go back to my room. Call it a night.
1, 2, 3, hold me, 4.
And we doing push-ups. Every guy got to do 20 push-ups, and women got to do 20 sit-ups.
Cause you got 5 or 6.
Like anything that's not healthy, huh? Make you think straight.
Now I'm hitting push-ups. Then I'm gonna do again some more push-ups. Then I'm gonna do the band for my arms. Hit the chest and arms. No weights. Calisthenics. It's not calisthenics. Calisthenics for those who don't know.
We missed it. He barfed. Look. We missed it. You ain't even get it, man.
No, I got the first one. Relax your little beetle mouth.
We just completed M.D.E, baby. We just completed the Santa Monica Stairs M.D.E challenge, baby. We just finished.